Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix incoming call problem. If your incoming call is not showing and how to fix in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your this settings app. Now you have to click on applications. Here you can see apps, then click on see all 87 apps, click on search, and here you have to write phone. Click on this phone and you will see here it is storage and cache. Click on clear cache and clear storage, so it will delete or clear cache your data from your phone app. Then friends, you have to press back, click on this three dots, click on reset app preferences and show system apps. Then here you have to write Google here and clear cache this Google Play services also. Then simply press back, and then friends, you have to restart your smartphone. It will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.